Citri-Fi natural citrus fiber is ideal to use in baked goods and bakery fillings. One of the key benefits of using Citri-Fi is its ability to maintain freshness over time. This is achieved by the high surface area, which holds significant amounts of water and oil. Because of these functional benefits, this natural fiber is proven to provide cost savings by improving yields and/or replacing more expensive ingredients such as oil or egg, depending on the market. Citri-Fi does not break down and holds on to water even during the most harshest food processing conditions, including heat, freeze-thaw, shear, and low pH. Citri-Fi can be labeled as citrus fiber, dried citrus pulp, or citrus flour, which resonates well in the natural markets. Because Citri-Fi qualifies as a fiber under the FDA, contributes fiber, and can also improve the nutritional profiles by partially replacing fat, oil, and/or egg. Citri-Fi is non-GMO and allergen-free, which is ideal for gluten-free baking, and it has no E number, which is attractive in Europe. Citri-Fi is used to improve a variety of baked goods and fillings. Here's just an incomplete list of a few food applications that you can benefit. Citri-Fi maintains freshness in bread over time. The bread using Citri-Fi dries out slower versus the controlled bread seen here. This natural fiber is also great in creating soft textures, like in cookies. Here, the Citri-Fi cookies were preferred over the control because the cookies were softer and smoother. This natural fiber can partially replace eggs up to 25% while maintaining similar results to the full egg version, when Citri-Fi is used at as little as 0.23%. Citri-Fi can reduce oil usage up to 25%. Here, about 0.5% Citri-Fi can reduce the oil while maintaining the high quality versus the full fat control. Both muffins had similar sensory results at day 7. Citri-Fi can also partially replace both egg and oil while maintaining the high quality. Here, the Citri-Fi muffins perform equally to the full egg and oil muffins in visual and as well in sensory. Citri-Fi is ideal in gluten-free formulating. This natural fiber retains moisture over time, where other gluten-free products dry out and stale quickly. Citri-Fi provides the natural emulsification and creates strength and structure to make high-quality gluten-free products. Because Citri-Fi has about 40% intact pectin in its holistic composition, this natural fiber can be used to improve texture and/or replace added pectin in bakery fruit fillings. Low pH and high Brix conditions activate Citri-Fi's gelling properties to create superior filling texture. If you're interested in more information about the applications mentioned, please check out our videos about Citri-Fi's benefits in bakery products and fillings in the video library on our website, or on our YouTube FiberStar channel. If you have additional questions, you can contact any one of us. Thank you.